is the delete operation. In this lecture, we will delete the iPhone record from the database using Spring Data. To do that, go back to STS, go to the test class, and at the end of it, add a new test, public void test delete. Mark it with test annotation. Deleting is very easy. Repository dot delete. Again, there are several overloaded versions. If you hit control space, delete that takes the unique primary key of our entity, delete that takes several entities and deletes all of them, all those records from the database. A delete that takes a single entity and deletes the corresponding row in the database, and a delete all, which is dangerous, which should be used with caution, which deletes everything in the database table. Let's use the delete that takes an ID. In this case, the ID is 1. That is what we have set it to. So pass in 1 and it should delete the record with that ID in the database. Select this method and we can run just that test instead of running everything, because JUnit could run these tests in any order. So right now, if it runs delete first and then create, then read, it will delete the record and it will create it again. It will read it back and it will update. So it's up to JUnit on how it will run. So I'm going to run just the delete by selecting it, right click, go to run as JUnit test. That way we are only running the delete test. Once it finishes, we can go to the database and verify, execute the select, and the record is gone. So you have successfully completed all the CRUD operations. In the next lecture, I'll explain the end-to-end flow of what exactly is happening when we run our application.